and they're on the side next to the rocks. It's a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one. Oh hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. What the f? Oh man. This is huge. Nice. We're gonna measure this, guys. Yeah. It's 14 and a half. Yeah, look at that, 14 and a half. It's 14. Wow, 14. Woohoo. That's 15. One. Another big one. Another big one. All right. Oh man, look at this. That's my second one. Wow, sweet. Nice, right? All right. All right, guys. So we caught this one. Got this one. And another one. And this one. Nice, right? Till then, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.